Julie, we have been watching this system start to move its way through to us, and severe weather to start, and then the flooding risks come after that.
Yeah, so we have two problems, Jim and Grace. We have the severe weather threat, and then beyond that, we have the ongoing flood threat that's going to last through the weekend. For today, though, we do have a weather impact alert. We are looking at strong to severe storms developing once we get past dark tonight and into the overnight hours. With that, we could see some long track tornadoes also developing. Take a look at the screen, scan the QR code, have a way to get those warnings before you do head off to bed tonight. Again, the timing of this really couldn't be worse. It's going to be when a lot of us are asleep. So taking a look right now, we're sitting in the mid-50s here in Louisville. We will stay dry most of the day today. That will not be the problem. The problem, again, is going to come after dark tonight. And we're going to be exceptionally warm today as well, warming things up into the low 80s, about 15 degrees above average, which actually just adds more fuel to the atmosphere for the storm development later on today. So that's not necessarily a good thing. Right now, some clouds out there. We take a wider look, though, at the satellite and the radar, noticing some storms back off into the plains right now and in through the upper Midwest. Right now, though, we will be looking at a severe weather threat lasting through about Friday of this week. The worst of the days today, where we have a 4 out of 5 on our severe weather outlook. So that is a very high chance of receiving all modes of severe weather here. We are talking about flooding, hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes. This is a look at our flood threat. This flood watch goes all the way through Sunday. So a tremendous amount of rain very likely to fall. Also, a high wind advisory in effect. We could see winds gusting up around 50 miles or more before those storms actually roll through today. That's when we'll see the really gusty winds. In fact, this is a look at 11:30, noticing that first line of storms push its way through. Could see, again, some long track tornadoes, especially west of I-65 and in through southern Indiana. Looking at more severe weather possibly tomorrow in through Friday as well. But you'll notice all of the colors there on the screen indicating heavy rainfall, and that is going to be a big problem here for us in Louisville, as we could see as much as a foot of rain over the next several days. So here's a look at our severe weather. What is the impact? Well, that severe weather tonight, maybe tomorrow and in through Friday. Multiple rounds of heavy rain, though. That's going to present a major issue. Taking a look here at very heavy rain coming in over the next several days, as much as a foot of rainfall for our area, which is too much for us to handle. A quick look at your 7-day forecast then, showing the warm temperatures through the weekend, but again, the very wet conditions that we'll continue to monitor.